Fufu is one of the delicacies most Africans enjoy. Now let's make some. We'll be using some freshly harvested cassava. We will have to peel them, wash them, and soak in cold water for 4 to 5 days. This will enable them to soften so that we'll be able to extract the starch from it. So this is after 4 days. We will have to drain this water and we will see that the cassava has softened, but this isn't the fufu yet. We will need a sieve and a big basin of water. We will need to take the soft cassava, put in the sieve, and we do like this, like so, to extract our fufu and remove any obstacle that will hinder our swallowing. It's advisable you use a bigger sieve, or you can use anyone available at your disposal. So you do this until you're done. Now, when you're done with this process, you will have to put it in a bag. Why do we put it in a bag? So that the water, the excess water, can drain from the fufu, and this will make the fufu to stay longer, so you can cook it whenever you like. Now, this will take like a day or so that all the water can drain, and then you have the real starchy whitish water fufu that can stay for months. Remember, this is still to be cooked, and this is a huge quantity that can feed a whole lot of people. This is enjoyed with various soups and vegetables.